We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Protecting your business is our core business. My brother, remind me of your name.
Khethabahle igama lami. Abantu abaningi mangazi ngoJobeki.
Yeah, Jobeki. Awusho-ke Khethabahle. Umdlalo wanamhlanje nje ungathini ukuphawula ngawo ngakho?
I think igame yangamhlanje iDurban City made it look difficult for Orlando Pirates. Njoba ngingayicabanga before ukuthi I expected them ukuthi approach game low block my approach ngamhlanje game low block. I think bebaza ngeplan ukuthi okay sharp mase shaya Pirates nge-low block. Obviously umsebenzi kaPochempuli is to invest himself as an extra center back abe fifth defender. Then uNodada appush as a 6 ne-10 ne-8 yabo. And also
and I think he did very well.
He did very well uNodada. Boy to uSifumba no Sirinho bebazama ukuphuma ngapho. But umuntu engidisappointed kule game I think uSirinho. Sirinho he offered nothing for Durban City. Not so much. I think uSifumba uyebekabukeka adlala. uSifumba ngathi bekasinike izinkinga first half. I think second half ucoach identified this problem wathi okay sharp. Athi zama ukumlokhu nje double team asibone ukuthi uzoyenza lo file. They dealt with him so well, and then, but I think also equally about the way balcore ngakhona. I think uShandu wampasela bese umfana wangena phakathi then washaya cutback lo mchita lo striker sabo
number 9
number 20 uLwamba washaya i-tap in yabo. uZulu Lulu uZulu i-priority yakhe was to defend. But now I don't understand why letting a striker double up phambi wakho bese ahamba ayikore tap in. Because uSiyema umphethe
ushayahamba yedwa.
Ushayahamba yedwa. USiyema umgadile lokhu nje this guy umgadile this guy uSirinho or umgadile uSirinho. Yena wena as a extra as a
thatha nawe enye indoda.
Thatha indoda. Hamba naye. Yabo. Wamyekela washaya tap in umchita. I think bekwi moment. They by create moment after lapho bavele let's take this game to extra time. Also ebadlalini bethu indawo number 10 it's a big problem.
Akatholakala.
And abantu abaningi abafuyi understand ukuthi number 10 wethu the position is vital. It's vital because we can't go to Champions League ngale problem because we can't rely on Tito too much. We can't on and off Tito I think problem ukuthi pick and choose ama game.
Uthi ayilena ngiyafala.
Lena ngizodlala. Kuma big game uTito can show up on a big game but now this time want to change the mindset yakhe. We are pick and choose ama game. He's not himself now ngokwakhe. Because I think njoba deploy like last season abo number 10 a compliment to Police no Mremi. Those three they were reliable sources.
Yes,
Umbutuma and also Tito also. Na I understand into ukuthi striker sakho you can't leave him alone. Umbutuma is difficult for him.
Second striker model number 10.
Second striker model number 10 because let her drop up. Ayekele the battles bamtshela into ukuthi
drop kakhulu.
Yekele ukudrop because
cabanga ukuthi udlalela uRivera.
Cabanga because ulokhujana uNonduli unabo Mulayi unabo Mbatha balapho. Bayekele ukuthi bazoyenza istate wena nje amothola ispace wenza ama running behind the defense bese ucreate bese abolokhujana abosipelebele nabo Ndaba bazoyenza lo police cutback yabo because police nogiza inverters yashaya ama tap in. Also kuningi kwele kulungiswa phambili if I can put the way because the front ibuka ngathi ayikho balance. Buka ngathi ayikho balance front because yes our new striker angayisolve this problem but we don't know, we never know.
Asimazi sikambone
asakabona ku YouTube. Inkinga ukuthi udinga abantu abazomcompliment like the surrounding yabo and it's nice surrounding eningi. It's nice surrounding. I think now Muremi na akekho ozomchallenge kule position yakhe because abongwato samele baziprove.
Kusafuna try the team.
Umsendami still have to give him a chance to prove it as well. So I think a wing and I think we should get another winger umuntu very speedy who can take on players. Yabo like uthula Nikumete ngam-emphasize lo mfana lo Richards Bay. Masingamthola I think uyongasinceda kwamanye amagame. Naye Khosetsile na ngathi this season
uyathembisa
because lo mfana lo ukhipha amaphokoti angakanani lo mfana makange ungena phakathi ukhipha
muhle kakhulu yamfana.
unengqondo ebhola.
Yeah.
Unengqondo ebhola lo mfana. Lo mfana usazwinisa amagame amaningi.
Yeah.
Naye uLungu naye uzoswinisa amagame amaningi.
Dlalile Ulungu.
Awudlalile ngamhlanje. Umfana udlalile because beka le goal alishayile. Individual brilliance.
Yeah.
Because wonke umuntu bebasho udale we were all prepared for ama penalties. Naye umfana had the final answer, not today.
Alutho. Last minute.
Because it's similar to lento kaMbokazi.
Yeah.
Last season ukuthi this is how you win games. You take risk.
Yeah.
Umbokazi wayikhuluma lento before ukuthi sometimes ama-game are tight.
Yeah.
Take risk.
Take risk.
You never know how it pays off.
And we are phambili.
Uyawina.
Yeah.
Nakho uLungu ayithatha i-risk then
Shine it.
while plays
Yeah.
technique.
Yeah.
Technique lapho ayisebenzisile. But also today performance yethu it's another lackluster performance.
Ngeyona leyo.
Bekungayona le, but angazi ukuthi whether we are integrating a new style of play or ama-player abaka recover enough.
Yeah.
Abaka recover enough because of the World Cup.
Yeah.
But now, but then I think there's kunomdlalo lomusha besides Lomlungu. But apparently there's a new player ephume Argentina.
Yeah.
But they got trained nabafana be-Pirates izolo. Because he was linked to so many teams.
Yes.
Yena lo mfana lana.
Okay.
Bathi ama-team aseBotswana nama-fans aseBotswana apparently they said ukuthi Orlando Pirates have got a player lapha.
Yeah.
Thina some of us we don't know him.
Yes.
We don't know him, but sombona ukuthi makasayinile simbona ukuthi unani.
Yeah.
Probably is a new number 10, is our new
Yes.
Ribeiro
Yes.
asasi.
Mhlawumbe not.
Mhlambe or not, but now he looks like he uyathembisa naye as well. But sombona
Let's hope it's not another Gilberto.
yeah, I hope so. I really hope because ama mistake Gilberto
Nani ngomsayinanga ku YouTube.
Gilberto I think bamsayine because simbukele ku Kev.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
But we all thought ukuthi maybe uzozana something kadala not.
Okay, you know you owe us something.
Yeah, I know. Interview.
So we need to fix that.
We'll fix that.
I'm reporting you to the public.
Madlanga
He
Commission.
owes us an interview.
Bangireporte ku Madlanga Commission.
A minimum 30 minutes interview. But anyway, thanks for your support, my brother.
Famela ngimfake nge handcuff tasisho.
We talk football, let's say.